Hi, this is Scott again, and today I'm going to talk to you about a little fix for all of us that have our SD cards in the bottom, uh, hiding inside the battery compartment. It can be really difficult trying to get them out, especially if, like me, you have this mount grip attached because now it makes that well even deeper, harder to get into. So I've come up with a solution for that for myself, and I think it might help you. So let's take a closer look and see what my fix is. Okay, now we're set up here to take a closer look. So let's look into this battery compartment. And as you can see, turn this around so the light gets in there. Here we have my battery and my SD card here as well. Now you can pop it out, but it's not easy to get a hold of the sides because it's down there, so you kind of have to like hook a fingernail to pull the card out. Alternately, you want to be a little more daring, you can sit there and press it, pull your finger away quickly, and then it'll come flying out. But that's a good way to lose an SD card. My rather simple solution to the problem is to put little tags on it, which I also use to number my cards. So here I have number 1 in there. Again, very easy. Goes in. I literally could just pull it out on that tag, but here I'll go ahead and eject, and now it's very easy to reach in and put that out. So here I'll put the card back in, and I'm doing this looking through a camera, so I'm a little bit awkward. And again, eject it, finger under the tab, out. Easy peasy. So there's the basically how it looks when we're done. What I would suggest to do this is that you buy something like this little P-Touch Brother label maker I have. Let me prop this up so glare isn't so bad. And turn it on. Got to make sure it is set for vertical printing. Go to functions, go to style, and we go vertical. And now that we have it in vertical, go ahead and do our next card, which we have number 1 there, so we want number 2. And we print. And then outside of the machine, got a little thing to cut it. And you basically take it and try to get those two centered each other, and make sure you get this very straight. Because then you're going to try to do it like that. You don't want it to be too big. You kind of sit there and size it in and decide where to cut it. A scissor here. So we're going to cut it right there. And the label makes it easy because it's got a little tab here. So you do is pull one of those off. Now when your card is in, you want to be able to see this the right way around. So we basically need to put this in upside down, so to speak. So you get the one side straight, and then after you do that, you peel off the second side, and then basically bend it in half and try to match up the two sides because you don't really want to have adhesive showing. The nice thing is this is very much a removable adhesive on the P-Touch, so it's easy enough to peel it back if you decide you didn't like the placement and redo the placement. And I'm going to go ahead and move this other side. There we go. Not the best job since I'm trying to do this while looking through my monitor screen instead of dealing directly. It's a little bit off center, but that doesn't matter. So now there, go in here, go ahead, take out this one, whoops, and slide in my new one. And that's all it takes to do it, so pretty easy. Well, again, hope that was helpful. Here's a probably a better view of my P-Touch machine. These aren't terribly expensive. I really suggest them because the adhesive is very removable, so you're not going to get your cards all gummed up or anything by using it. The label seems to hold up pretty well, and it's just a great way to label your cards. On top of that, you know, even when you put your cards back in their cases, you still have a very good view of your label, so it's easy to keep track of your cards. So, hope that was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. If you can, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.